Mario Kennedy. This is my partner Stephen King, and we've chosen to do our geography project on the building material limestone. Behind us, as you can see, is the MelocheQuarry, also known as La Compagnie Meloche. The quarry spans 1,800 feet in diameter and is about 150 feet deep. The Meloche family had originally started mining, getting into the quarry business 40 years ago, but has only started on the MelocheQuarry in 1967. Ever since then, they have extracted over 8 million tons of this mineral, and each year they produce about 500,000 of it. There are many uses for limestone, such as this gravel over here. It can be used to help the foundation of your house, or to build up your driveway, things like this. This is a piece of limestone. As you can see, it is not made of all limestone, but there are traces of it in this rock. There are many procedures required to extract this mineral, such as number 1, dig holes in the ground, and number 2, to put the dynamite in the holes. Then after that, they dynamite. After they dynamite, they send trucks to collect the rocks and then put them in to a thing called a crusher. After that, the crusher crushes the rocks, and then they bring it to a machine called a screening process. After that, the screening process assorts them into different sizes, big, bigger, and biggest. After that, they manufacture it into different products, and then they sell them to different companies. We are on the 4th floor down of the quarry. For them to dynamite down to here, it took them about 15 years. The first step required for doing this is to make the holes to plant the dynamite. Since it takes very long for men to do it, they have developed a machine. It's the digging machine over there. This is the first step. After that, the dynamite is planted, and then they dynamite. Here is a picture of what it would look something like it. After they have dynamited, the tractors and trucks come down and load up to pick the materials and bring them up. Here is a truck returning. Here is a truck returning to go and be filled by the tractor over there. After this is done, the truck returns up to the surface of the quarry, and there is a weighing machine and drops it off up at the crushers. It's an example of their explosives cabinet that is kept here at the quarry. They have a lot more though, and the trucks just bring them in. Okay, this truck right now is on its way to the crusher. It unloads its rocks into the crusher, and then there's a conveyor belt which the crushed rock will run up to, and then it will go into the screening process. After the rocks have been